Alright, we'll do number 1 on here using substitution. Number 1, y equals 2 over 3x plus minus 1. And the other one is y equals to negative x plus 4. Okay, you're going to substitute in here, you're going to substitute that there. So you basically have negative x plus 4 from that one over here equals to this whole thing here. 2 over 3x minus 1. You need to, I always get rid of the fraction first by finding least common denominator. And in this case, the least common denominator is 3. You need to multiply all of them, all terms, by 3 on both sides. Okay? To all terms. You get negative 3x plus 12 equals, cross cancel here, 2x minus 3. Minus 12, minus 12. Oh no, let's get rid of the variable first. It doesn't really matter, but for most students it's easier to get rid of the variable first. The smallest is negative 3x. So you can work with positive variables. Makes it easier. Not necessarily the only way to do it. Add 3, and that's 15 equals to 5x. And divide by 5, you get x equals to 3. If x is equal to 3, to find y, you have to substitute the 3 into here. So you get y equals to that negative x. So instead of x, you put a 3 there for this 3 down here, plus the 4. So y equals to 1. So your solution is 3, 1. That's where they intersect at. So 3, 1 on is this answer. Says cross out. Okay, right here, cross out the word we. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2. Number 2 is y equals to negative 2x plus 1, and y equals to x minus 5. Okay, substitute that into there. X minus 5 equals to negative 2x plus 1. Add 2x to both sides. You get 3x minus 5 equals to a positive 1. Add 5, 3x equals to 6. Divide by 3, x equals to 2. If x equals to 2, you take that answer, you substitute it into here. 2y equals to 2 minus 5. Y equals to negative 3. So your solution is 2, negative 3. Find the answer, so make sure your answer is right. Right here it is. Cross it out. Next problem, number 3. Okay. Number 3, you got 1/2. Y equals to 1/2 x minus 3. Y equals to 3 over 2x minus 1. I'm going to substitute it into here. That into there. So I get 3 over 2x minus 1 equals to 1 over 2x minus 3. Least common denominator is 2. Multiply all terms by 2. Cross cancel. You got 3x minus 2 You get 1x minus 3, subtract 1x, subtract 1x, the smallest variable, cross cancel, 2x minus 2 equals to negative 3. Okay, add 2, you get 2x equals to negative 1, divide by 2, x equals to negative 1/2. Substitute it in, this into there. You got y equals to 3 over 2 times a negative 1/2 minus 1, so y equals to negative 3 over 4 minus 1, y then equals to, you add them together, so your answer is negative 3 and 1/4. 1 whole out of 3/4 is negative 1 and 3/4. So your answer is I made a mistake somewhere because the answer is not there. Okay, so let's see what mistake I made. Multiply by 2, I get 3x minus 2. I'm going back and checking my work from the very beginning. Cross cancel here, get 3x, negative 2, cross cancel, 1x. Aha, I forgot to multiply this by 6, make 6. There's my mistake. Oh my goodness. Good thing the things give me an answer. So my answer is a negative 3. So if it's not on the worksheet, you need to be able to check your answer back, like your other homework, to check to see. You substitute it in your answer to see if your answer is right. But in this case, my answer is wrong. They made it easy because now I got choices. Okay. So I substituted in. Right. Any other mistake that I could have made? Did I copy the problem right? Minus 3. I think I did. Still, my answer's not there. What did I do wrong, guys? Let me go back. Okay, let me check. Make sure I wrote it right. Okay. Least common denominator is 2. So I multiply everything by 2. That gives me 3x minus 2 equals to x minus 6. I minus an x, minus an x. Okay, I get 2x minus 2 equals to negative 6. Oh my gosh, I didn't change. Oh my goodness. That's why we erase everything. I was trying to take the shortcut, rushing it. You see what happens? But good thing there's the answer key that tells me I'm doing it wrong. So I get to check my work again. Y equals to 3 over 2 times that negative 2 here minus 1. Cross cancel. I get negative 3 minus 1. So y equals to negative 4. So my answer is negative 2, negative 4. So it's right here. Cross that out. Thank God, it took forever. Okay. I rushed it, and then that's what happened when you rush it. Number 4, get y equals to 2x, and x plus y equals to 3. Okay, substitute this into here. Okay. You get x plus 2x equals to 3. Get 3x equals to 3. Divide by 3. X equals to 1 whole. So if x is 1 whole, you substitute it back into there. So y equals to 2 times 1. Y equals to 2. So your answer is 1 ordered pair solution of 1, 2, where they intersect. TS, cross out TS, which is here. Cross that out. Okay. Number 5. Number 5, you have x plus y equals to 0, and then 3x plus y equals to 4. I'm going to make this into slope-intercept. Okay, so that means I minus x, and then y equals to negative x plus 0. Y then is just negative x. Negative x plus 0 is negative x. So for y, I substitute in negative x right there. So I got 3x. I have 3x plus a negative x equals to 4. That gives me 2x equals to 4. Divide by 2. X then equals to 2. If x equals to 2, substitute it into here. 2 plus y equals to 0. Then y then is a negative 2. Okay, so my answer is 2, negative 2, which is the word up need to be crossed out. Okay. Number 6. Number 6 is x equals to 3 minus 3y, and x plus 3y equals to negative 6. Because this is by itself, I just substitute this in where this x is. So I eliminate that, put where that x is. 3 minus 3y plus 3y equals to negative 6. 3, and that 0 plus 0 equals to negative 3. 3 does not equal to negative 3, so it's no solution. There's no answer. These two are parallel, they'll never meet, so it's no solution. So OS needs to be crossed out. Okay, now number 7. Number 7 is x plus 2y equals to negative 4. And you got 4y equals to 3x plus 12. Okay, solve for x here. I'm going to solve for x. Because x is by itself here, I'm going to solve for it. So I'm going to limit, I make y equals to 0. Okay, so my answer here is x equals to negative 4 minus 2y. So for this x here, I eliminate that, and I substitute in this into there. So I get 4y equals to 3, and I substitute that x for negative 4 minus 2y, and then plus 12. Okay, so you get 4y equals to negative 12 minus 2y, or minus 6y, sorry, forgot to multiply 3 times negative 2, plus the 12. These two, combine these like terms right here, that makes 0. Okay, that's 0. 0 minus 6y is negative 6y. Okay, or leave it like this, because if the 0 isn't there, a lot of kids get confused. So you add 6y, add 6y, so you get 10y equals to the 0. Divide by 10, divide by 10, y equals to 0. Okay, if y equals to 0, you substitute it in. I'm going to use the first one, x plus 2y equals to negative 4. I'm going to substitute 0 here. So that's 0. 2 times 0 is 0. So x plus 0 equals to negative 4. Minus 0 minus 0. So x equals to negative 4. So your solution is negative 4, 0. Negative 4, 0 is TW, the first one. Cross it out. Right there. Anyways. And then number 8. Number 8, y equals to negative 2. So you have 2x minus 5y equals to 20. So you substitute this into here, where y is. So you got 2x minus 5 times this negative 2, that's here, into there, equals to 20. You got positive 10, because in multiply you get positive 10. 2x equals to 20, minus 10 minus 10. 2x equals to 10. Divide by 2. X equals to 5. Okay, so x equals to 5, and y is negative 2. It says so right here. If you're confused, let's use this one then. If you're confused on what I'm explaining, use the other equation, 2x minus 5y equals to 20. So put 5 here. 10 minus 5y equals to 20. Minus 10 minus 10. 0 minus 5y is negative 5y equals to 10. Divide by negative 5. Y equals to negative 2. So your solution, see, y is negative 2. Negative 2, same thing. Is 5 and negative 2. 5 and negative 2 is SS. Okay, and then number 9, last problem. Number 9 is 4x plus 3y equals to 15, and y equals to x plus 2. Okay, this one. So eliminate this. Substitute that into there. So you got 4x plus 3 parentheses x plus 2 equals to 15. Okay, distribute, distribute. Got 4x plus 3y plus 6 equals to 15. Oh no, 3x, sorry. Got 7x plus 6 equals to 15. Minus 6 minus 6. Uh-oh, I made a mistake again. Let's go back and look. If there's no fraction answer in the thing, and I got a fraction one. 4, did I copy right, first of all? Aha, this is a negative 15. It's a negative 15. That's a negative 15. Okay, that's a negative 21. Copied wrong. equals 7x, divide by 7, x equals to negative 3. So if x is y equals to x plus 2, and x is negative 3, then y equals to negative 3 plus 2, y equals to negative 1. So negative 3, negative 1, that is TR is marked off. So you guys figure out the riddle, and I'm going to stop the recording.